Yes. In my opinion, plastic should be banned because by the plastic most of the animals are dying, and by the plastic we are not able to getting the oxygen because the plastic is covering the plants and the things which produce the oxygen, and by the plastic when we throw the plastic in the ocean sea, that's why the most of the animals just eat them and die, and the most of them are likely to the whales and sharks. These kind of fishes are dying by the plastics, and a recent case is there. A tortoise was a baby. That time the plastic cover was covered that, and his stomach is not grow, but the whole body can grow. Now, before 1 or 2 years, the scientists cut that circle, and he he save, and we can learn that how the plastic is how much harmful for us. That's it.
In my opinion, the plastic should not ban because we should ban the plastic so there is a effect on environment. We use paper and cloth bags. This is very harmful for our trees. If the paper made tree and this is very harmful.
And if we will ban the plastic, so we will get the paper bags. So paper bag affects on trees because by the trees paper are being prepared, are being make. So our environment also get affected. And if we will not ban the plastic, so there would be many of the causes like animals and for us also, because when we throw the plastic here and there, so it gives some bacteria. By that it mixes with the air, so it kill the bacteria of air, oxygen, and by.
According to me, we should ban the plastic because of by plastic we can found in our environment. There are many types of disease. We can stop these things. Our government should be take a step for these things.
According to me, we should ban the plastic because the plastic are so harmful for our environment and us and the all animals, because the many of the animals are wandering in the market and they are so hungry. Then he take the plastic. Then he after the taking the plastic are into that his stomach, and he was so harmful. He can't think about it, and after that he died.
In my opinion, we should ban the plastic because it is the most dangerous for us. And nowadays, a person throw the garbage in the outside, so there that can be become a pollution for us, and by that we can take up some disease. So this is not good. And if we talk about the other countries, so there is a not more plastic than India. So do we should do not throw the garbage in the outside.
According to me, the problem of 1 million animals, mammal animals, including mammals, fish, and shark and birds, he killed every year due to plastic.
I think plastic should be banned because if we see plastic affects our atmosphere, not only atmosphere, it also affects water and air.
According to me, we should not ban the plastic, but we reduce the uses of plastic. Like we should carry the cotton bags while shopping, and we should throw the garbage in dustbin. And plastic is a recycled thing which we can recycle again and again, and we can use the plastic again and again.
According to me, plastic should be banned because the chemical used in the production of plastic are toxic and detrimental to the human body.
According to me, all the products of plastic should not be banned because so many products of plastic being used at the place of metal and at the place of wood. So we cannot ban the plastic, but we can ban those type of products of plastic that we use only one time, and we can we can ban the like plastic bag and the plastic glasses.
Yeah.
He said that plastic should be banned, but if we ban the plastic, so we can face many problems like in medical life because medicines covered by the help of plastic.
We can also cover medicine by the paper.
No, if we cover the medicines by paper, so if rain is happening, so medicine can destroy.
It cannot destroy.
The plastic takes the time to disposal in our earth soil. The 1,000 year to disposal in our earth.
In daily life, the garbage meant to take our garbage and they throw out in rivers, seas. So they are so we drink their water, so we can get sick. Who get sick? So it is bad, sir.
And the one thing is also here that if we will ban the plastic, like plastic is of many types, like both water bottle and we will talk about cold drinks. We get in the plastic bottle. If we will ban it, so we will have the need of metal bottle. So we cannot get this bottle because we don't have this much money to buy it, and that's why it can be the reason. But that's why the plastic is not being.
And we use the plastic at a single time to if we buy anything, so we can use the polythene, and that thing is also covered by the plastic. So the plastic is very important for us. If the plastic is not there, we get so much money and to remove the plastic, and the plastic is only one thing which is not biodegradable.
And in China make a decision to ban the plastic. But now China have seen many problems like the environment are going destroy of China.
Plastic should be banned because of mostly people throw the garbage on roads. So animals are take the plastic. So it's very harmful to them and environment also.
But government make a decision, no one throw garbage there, and where there is a garbage box, every person should throw the garbage in garbage box.
As he said, sir, in China have more and more population compared to our India. But how they develop and there are no more garbage. So we can think that how he think what he do, sir. We can do this thing, sir.
If we collect the garbage in the somewhere, so while taking garbage, after that bacteria can come if someone taking that garbage. Before bacteria can come at that place.
But sir, if we talk about on the electricity things, so plastic help more in the electricity things like switch and plastic bulb, and if we use the metal in electricity things, so we can get electricity. The benefit of banning plastic bags is that our government is wasting so much money in cleaning our cities and our areas. So if the government ban the plastic bags, so our streets are clean because of plastic.
And as he said, the government just put the dustbins, but still the government is throwing that much plastic, and at the election time they just distribute something like most of the things they just distribute in the polythene and as the plastic things they just distribute. By that the plastic is increasing, and the fact is that the Coca-Cola, the KitKat company, the coming time, the KitKat company will use the half of the plastic of the world to make the wrappers and to make the things.
as he said, we can put the dustbin, but in India, the people put the dustbin and use in our house life, sir. So it is bad, sir.
And as they all talk that the dustbin are there, but when we throw it to the dustbin, so the government servers they come and they take that and they throw it at a place, at a particular place. So there also a bacteria is there and it's also working like that.
And the dustbin is also a plastic.
If we should not ban the plastic, then the one day are coming, our earth are so not useful for us, and they do not give us the more thing.
The production of plastic creates a many harmful diseases. Burning of plastic, it releases many toxic acid, so it creates a suffocation. We can't take breath easily. So plastic should be banned.
This is a valid point, but by the plastic we are very luxurious. By the plastic we, as I said, the plastic is recyclable. Where if we melt the plastic, so we can make a new thing. Then why we need to burn the plastic?
It takes a lot of time, something 15 years.
And nowadays plastic is in all of the place. Like if we will talk about the mobile phone, there plastic is also available. If we will ban the plastic, so we will not get the back cover of phone, and it will make a very big thing. And if we will put a metal at the place of plastic, so the weight of phone would be so more.
We can use the leather covers, not plastic covers.
We can, I'm talking about without any cover. There plastic is also,
And the leather is very expensive than the plastic.
and the leather is also, by the leather animals are also dying.
People are using the plastic because plastic are very cheap and low mass, and they are very disabled. So people are using the plastic.
Before 10 and 12 months ago, in Banmos market, there the plastic ban and the paper bags came, but after 1 month and half, the plastic came again, and the polythene of plastic they starts again.
Because they knew that if they ban the plastic, so he has to cut more than before the trees. When they cut the trees, so the plastic is more the plastic does not use, and the plastic cover the soil and the plants cannot grow.
And as the sir said that plastic is recyclable, but the paper bag are not.
Many of the people are depend on the plastic because it is easily available and it is so low cost.
And if we talk about the plastic factory, it can become a more pollution if we recycle the plastics. But we can take the advantage of that. But we can also take a more pollution and a bad air in our life.
By plastic made more things like we can see in car there use the plastic, and computers also, TV also use the plastic. How we can stop these things, sir?
And if we talk about the pollution, so not the plastic cause the pollution caused by everything. Like if we burn the wood and if we burn anything, so the pollution is created and it harm our body.
And by the vehicle, pollution is also being, because when we run the vehicle, so it gives a polluted air, and it mixes with oxygen and these airs, and it harms in our body.
Plastic should be banned. It's a good thing, but we can't ban the plastic in all things because of. But we can ban the polythene bags. we all know that polythene cannot be banned fully because the use of polythene in our life is more. But we can use one thing. We can use plastic in our life less. Like if we are buying clothes, then we can use paper, and if we are buying vegetable, then we can also use paper.
According to me, if we are not able to ban the plastic, so we should care the plastic, like we should not throw it here and there, because if we will throw it here and there, so the cow and the dogs, they will eat it and they will die. So if we have plastic, so we should care it, like we should throw it in dustbin.
In my opinion, if we use plastic, so there is a strict rule for using plastic. You should throw in garbage, and we not make more plastic. We recycle that plastic and use it.
He said right, the rules should be because nowadays we see here and there in our surrounding that if when the remaining food is when the food is remain in the house, so they can pack it in the polythene and just throw at the road. That's why the animals just eat the polythene with that food, and they cannot breathe.
And I think we should not we should stop the polythene because if we can take the any things in the bags, so one thing can reduce them in societies.
All things have two sides, like a coin. In a coin, there are the head and tail. There are two sides, and as we will talk about the plastic also has the two sides, bad effect and the good effect. So we don't focus on the bad effect. We always think about our profit and for our work.
And as he said that if want to wrap the food, we can use the paper. If we use the paper, to wrap the food, so the food become full by that paper, and the paper and for getting the paper we cut the wood plants.
The government said that all of us we should throw the garbage, well garbage in the different dustbin, and dry garbage through the different dustbin. That we should follow it.
And the one thing was also here that our presidents, they gave us suggestion that we should not throw the garbage here and there. But some of the times they also throw the plastic here and there. That's why the people are not following. If their thoughts would be good, so they will also follow.
Plastic is beneficial for us because it's very cheap and we can get it desired shape easily. We cannot get the desired shape to the metal easily. So plastic is beneficial for us.
All plastics come by companies like Biscuits company. They use cover our biscuit by the help of plastics. Our government tell their companies don't use like these things. We should made new things like no more damage.
And the one thing is also, suppose if we have banned the plastic and we are using the metal bottles, so then as we all know the metals, these and silver and gold, these things were made by the God. We cannot made it. But if we will talk about the plastic, we can made it, like when the metal would be, and so we'll have to start the plastic again.